Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your National Australian Bank account. National Australia Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search National Australia Bank Login. There, go to the first result that shows up or go to ib.nab.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of National Australian Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your NAB ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your National Australian Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to remember my NAB ID. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your NAB ID or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot your NAB ID or password. And if you are new to NAB Internet Banking, you can register a new account by clicking to Register Now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.